If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. You can also follow us in real time on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Just search Empire Wrestling Federation or at EWF Empire.
Supreme confidence.
Absolutely.
One fall?
With a nice ovation here.
Oh, did you notice what they both have on the right cheeks?
What's that?
Back cheeks, the backside cheeks. Oh, when they sit down, see what they're sitting on.
Zaddies have been nearly unstoppable as EWF World Tag Team Champions. Rarely rattled, rarely rattled. We've seen them be as dominant as any team in recent memory. Well, our official there.
We may see an official.
Our official better watch it there, huh? As he rolls up.
You don't
the Tag Team Championships.
Drop the belt. You don't do that.
Those are the wrong belts to drop, if you know what I mean, Rock. Those guys will definitely take exception.
I think the referee is very lucky that there was no retaliation.
No, I do as well.
I
agree. The Mexi-Machos here, paper, rock, scissoring to see who's going to be the first in the ring, or perhaps first victim. I don't know. The Mexi-Machos, a former EWF World Tag Team Championship team. They know what they're doing. They have a lot of experience. They have great chemistry working together.
Did I hear one of them speak English just now? Sounded like want some of this.
Well, Rock, we are living in 2020. We do have bilingual individuals.
Really?
Yes, sir. Lot to go take over there from Jay. Nice hip toss there from Che Cabrera. Jay having some fun and missing the elbow drop. It's Tio Chulo here. Chulo getting arm drags of his own established, and a nice drop kick. And in comes Tortuga here. Quick tags here from Mexi-Machos, finding themselves in the ascendancy here in the very early goings. And Rock's a little surprised. And Tortuga
chicken,
calling him a chicken.
Hey, pollo, hey pollo. I think that's what he meant to say.
Well, our referee going to start his 10 count here.
Serious question for you. Which of those Mexi-Machos is the uglier of the two?
I have no idea, Rock. That would be for you to decide.
They look pretty much the same to me. Same stupid expression on their faces.
Well, Bad Dude Tito tagging in. Tortuga shaking his head in approval. I don't know how wise that is from Tortuga, but Tortuga a little bit braver than I.
Oh, that's not very
And
wise.
Rock, I'll have you know, Tortuga is saying that he is a martial arts karate expert. So maybe we'll see a little bit of that tonight.
Well, I'm a brain surgeon, so that makes about as much sense as what he says.
Well, I'm just letting you know, Rock.
No, I know that. I know he claims to be a martial arts person. I can't even say the word expert.
I mean, is there a chance he might catch Wolf Zaddies off guard with some martial arts type move?
I doubt it. I think it's easy to say, but not quite as easy to actually
Not
do
successful
it.
there from Tortuga there. Just looking for that takedown on Bad Dude Tito, who has superior strength there. Yeah. Balance. Nice chop there from Bad Dude Tito, and Tortuga rattled. Tio Chulo admonishing Tortuga Tortuga absorbing another chop. And Tito taking his time. Doesn't seem worried or concerned about Tortuga. Tortuga missing that clothesline. Look at that speed from Bad Dude Tito.
Oh!
And a hip attack there from Tortuga. Tortuga using that speed of Tito against him. Arm drag. Another arm drag. Perhaps looking for the inverted atomic drop is Tortuga. That Bad Dude Tito with that rolling clothesline, taking him out. And Tito here, oh, look at that forearm. And Tito and Chase starting to take control, as we have seen the Wolf Zaddies do time and time again.
Oh.
Look at that, dueling strikes, dueling head of steam. Our official having to get out of the way there as these two.
Well, I can't say that he didn't deserve it.
Dominating the ring. And in the cover goes Che. 2 and oh, I thought maybe Tortuga was already done for.
He is, he just doesn't know it yet. Oh
Tortuga
my
getting
God.
scooped up there and oh my. Tortuga there into the ropes awkwardly and absorbing a vicious clothesline. And Che saying he's heavy.
Total dead weight.
Well, Che having some fun. The expense of Tortuga here. And Tortuga into the boot. In comes Bad Dude Tito. And into the ropes goes Tortuga.
Oh my God!
Pancaked into the canvas.
Almost on that left arm. That would have broken his arm for sure. Very, very awkward landing.
It looks strange.
Very. It was on his back. He could have some cracked ribs on that left side in the back.
I think the velocity made him fall that way, Rock. It was a lot of power.
It's like a cat, you know. A cat's supposed to always land on his feet, but if you hold a cat upside down and you slam it down hard enough and don't have a lot of distance, it'll hit on his back. That's just what happened right there.
I don't know how you know that, but that's interesting.
I've tested a few things.
Oh boy. That's what I thought. Well, into the corner goes Tortuga. Look at that running uppercut from Bad Dude Tito. Jumping shoulder tackle from Che. And Chulo needs to desperately get back in this matchup. Tortuga having all sorts of problems.
Hey!
And Chulo breaking up the count.
Wait. Why is that not a disqualification?
That is at the discretion of our official there, Rock. So that would be a question for him to answer. But Wolf Zaddies, Che. Absorbing the strikes here from Tortuga, and Tortuga.
This is not working.
Starting to have some effect there, Rock. A little bit. At first it wasn't. Oh no. Che suckered him in. And dropping him right on his back. Che into the cover.
1, 2, 3.
This is gonna
there
do
you
it.
go, baby.
Oh no, Chulo to the rescue.
More
Chulo
maneuvers on
wants to recapture those EWF World Tag Team Championships. And Bad Dude Tito even scaring our audience here.
Well, the
Scaring
thing
me,
is,
to be honest.
the thing is, he can totally back up everything he says.
I don't doubt it. Oh, missing there is Che. Maybe he's his own worst enemy here. It's Tortuga taking him out with a back elbow, a desperate one. And he needs a tag here. And missing initially is Tortuga, but Chulo in now. And Chulo, back body drop.
Beautiful backdrop.
Into the ropes goes Tio Chulo. And look at that tandem offense. Did Tortuga even know what he was doing? Is he just making it up as he goes? And, Rock, hand over his face. He's concerned here for the Wolf Zaddies here.
Oh, watch this one.
Oh, wait a second. Super kick to the back of the head of Tortuga. Chulo messing up that clothesline. Oh boy, this is not where Tio Chulo wants to be. Oh, look at that! Sit out powerbomb cutter! Are you kidding me?
Ring the bell.
Over! And both Zaddies successful in their defense, looking better than ever. Rock.
Beautiful.
Wow, what a performance! Absolutely dominant from these athletes.
What a match.
Mexi-Machos, former EWF World Tag Team Champions. Just no
I have to
match here
stand
this
up.
evening.